What you making?
This.
Oh, that looks delicious. All done?
This.
All right, where are you gonna put it?
Just microwaved every single one of those things that he's putting in.
Well, it's good. You gotta, make sure you cook them before you put them back, right?
Nope, it's not working.
Why not?
Oh no.
Oh no.
It's in Bobby's neck.
No, it already has batteries in it. Mommy fixed it. Say thank you, Mommy.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I saw.
Wasn't done yet? Still cold? Do you want to make yourself a baba so we can go night-night? Good job. I love you.
Hi.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year. Hold on.
All done. Say, Jezzy, get out of my kitchen.
No, it's too cold.
Too cold. Got to put it back in. Say, Jezzy, get out of my kitchen.